I'm touching him.
Eric? Is this duck?
I want to pet it.
You can't.
It's so cool. I want to get my phone.
Oh. This is cute. I want to have it. Oh.
Tuck it.
You guys enjoy it.
I want to pet it. Can I pet it?
No. It's my pet a bird. Now I have a pet.
I want to pet it. Please, Emma.
No.
Can I please pet it? Emma, don't pick it up. Emma, don't. I want to pet him. Please.
Emma, let him pet it.
No. It's going to fly away to the big hands.
No, Emma.
Emma,
Okay.
stop.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
All right, you go away. He doesn't like you.
That's bull.
Go wash your hands.
Never washing this hand again.
I'm sorry that happened. It's the same.
Like you better give me.
Please don't fly away.